Okay, number one, have your book in Amazon as an ebook. Okay, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing ebook. Okay, that's number one. Number two, create a micro niche. So if it's about weight loss, don't put it under category weight loss. Put it under something that's much smaller, that is what we call a micro niche, okay? Number three, have a sale. You can set up a 5-day discount, okay? Make it 99 cents. Don't make it free, okay? People have to purchase it, okay? Have the discount during a week that is the national week of something that has to pertain to your book, okay? So Google your book, National Week, the properties of your book in that, and find that, okay? Number four, go live. Go live for 2 hours on your favorite platform, or if you're using something like StreamYard, where you can do it on multiple platforms, that'd be even better, okay? Go live for 2 hours and say, this is for National, whatever it is, week. My book is on sale for 99 cents. Grab your ebook on Amazon. And if you're on Clubhouse, you can actually put a link where the people can tap on it, right? And they can go straight to Amazon and purchase your book for 99 cents and ask them to leave a 5-star review. Okay, number five, during that 2 hours, have someone watching Amazon. Okay, watch Amazon, watch the bestseller list in your category and watch it jump up the list, okay? When it hits, let's say number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, whatever, screenshot, okay? So screenshot when it hits number 1 bestseller, but all the way up from 100, so do as many as you need to do during the 2 hours, because it might not hit number 1. It might just get to number 2, or it might just get to number 6 or whatever, but it's still considered a bestseller, even though it's not number 1, okay? All right, but once it hits it, number 1, do a screenshot, okay? Then have them share that screenshot to your pages, to whatever, and then tell more people, and just keep it going for that 2 entire hours. Now, you don't have to tell the people that you're on your live that you're trying to get to bestseller. You don't have to say that. Just say that you see that there's some, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's not about you. Okay.